Hey guys, I'm back and I have this lovely package here that was sent to me to review. It is a 101 piece diamond painting toolkit. So we're gonna get right into this and we're gonna open it and see what's in it and all that jazz. So just so you know, this you can get it on Amazon. It's 121 pieces. It goes for $20.99, and I'll have the link down in the description below. The front of the box cracked a little bit, but that's okay. We're gonna get in and see what's in here. So we got some labels, 1 to 50. We got the, light up drill pens. This one is for, it looks like 3. That one holds 3. Okay, there's another one. These are so stinking cute. Lights up. And this one's got, it looks like maybe 6. And 6 on that one, and 3 on that one. Those are so stinking cute. We got some wax. I'm pretty sure there's more of that. This is everything. It's the giant tray. This is good for like when you have a ton of black in the background, or a ton of white, or a ton of one color. And it's also good for doing inventory and having to pour them into little baggies. These are perfect for that. I've got a little tiny container. I don't really use these because they're just tiny, but they're convenient to have if you have like a small partial with only like 8 colors. One of the little baggies will fit into these. They're just tiny, so I don't use them that often. My mom uses them for partials. Comes with one of those. A bag full of bags. We got 2 sets of tweezers. They're the ones with the little scoops on the end. I like those. Another bag full of baggies. There's a lot of these. Looks like we have 3 of the green trays. Nope, I got 4. The closed off green trays. A pair of the metal tweezers. There's 3 of these little containers in here. Hey. Sorry, it's the dog in the background. They're pretty deep, pretty round, but there's only 3 of them. We've got three drill pens with the 3 placers. Then we've got 1, 2, we've got one that's got the, this is for like, sorry, for, like if you're doing the squares and you want them to line up, instead of using like a credit card, it's just got the flat edge to it. And then it'll help you line that up. And it's got a little grip on it. Then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 drill pens with grips. And there's the 6 and 9 toppers there. We've got 1, 2, 3 of the smaller boats with the funnel. We've got 5 of these clips to help keep it on a table or whatnot. You could use these for all kinds of things. Okay. And we've got, let's see, what is this? It's a glue. We've got 2 small little tubes of glue. Then you've got, super cute, 4 of these little scoop spoons for your drills. Those are adorable. And another one of the large trays with the funnel. And then it all conveniently goes right into here. And then for the glue, let's see what we got here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. There's 30, let's see, 30, 40 of the glues. They're in strips, but they break off into the little squares. And then it all conveniently can go right into here for storage. Glue strips. So, I'll have the link in the description for this below if you'd like to order one. I do recommend it because it comes with the bigger trays, lots of extra glue if you need it. I use sticky tack, but some of the stuff from this kit will be in the giveaway that I'm doing at 150 subscribers. So that video on how to enter for the giveaway will be up either Thursday night or Friday during the day. So keep your eyes out for that. If you have any questions about this item, just leave a question below and I'll try to answer it the best that I can from the seller. I can ask the seller himself. But if you like it, it goes for $20.99 on Amazon. I do recommend it if you, especially if you're a beginner, and you need all this stuff. I have so much stuff though from all the diamond paintings that I currently have. I think I'm up to, I think I have 43 diamond paintings altogether. So you can just imagine how many tools I have. Tool kits that aren't even open yet. I have a lot of stuff. So I will be doing a giveaway, and in that giveaway will be a diamond painting and a bunch of tools and things that I personally use. Sticky tack and things like that. So keep your eyes out for that and how to be entered into that. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.